Hello. Audible, right? Audible, Arpa. Hello. Good morning to all. Welcome to this session of career guidance in banking. I would like to give our first thanks to Mr. Ramakrishnan. He has shown immense interest when we proposed this idea to him last week. And thank you, sir. Thanks. And to Swamiji, he also provided us this opportunity for being here. Thank you, sir. And when we proposed the name of Vivekananda to our immense distinguished speakers, Mr. Gomadi Nayagam and Mr. Shivaram Swami, they were very pleased, saying that they are showing very, very great interest in being here. Thank you, sir. Thank you for being here. Since we are running out of time, I will be very, very short and precise on what we are and why we are here. Let us start with the slide. We are a study guide India. We are here to give you the guidance of what you can study and where you can go with that study. The current scenario in the industry is like most of the people are studying because they have to study. They don't have a goal on what they want to be in the next few years or in the next 20 years. They take as it comes. So we want to give them the guidance, saying that, okay, here is the lot of guidance is available. So you can see that you have taken a course as of now, what you can do from here. What are the career opportunities is available for the course you have taken. So that's the Study Guide India. This is the guide where you can, if you are not thought about any goal, if you go through this guide, it will show like what is the goal, what is the need for setting the goal. That's how to set the goal for yourself. So there is a small guidance like show that how you can set yourself a goal and approach towards it. Yeah. Then what to study. This is the place where you can say like interactively you can see for your course and what you are doing today, what are the courses available further for the master studies and where you can get the job opportunities. Go. Yeah, next thing comes up whenever you want to go for studies, whether you will be able to pay for the fees and how much it's going to cost you. There are government and banks are available there to give you a loan, education loans. Most of the people will say, okay, I want to go for a loan, but never take a first step, think that where it is available. So we have collected a lot of list of information regarding how you can approach. It will give you enough input, so it will guide you. Yes, next is the scholarship. There are a lot of scholarships available and it is not been taken properly because of the information is not propagated to the students. There are n number of NGOs and organizations from India and overseas, the governments, they are providing a lot of scholarships. So we have collected the information here, so you can go and check it there, which will help you in your higher studies and the studies what you are doing also. Next. Yes, then there is a forum. It is like a discussion forum where the like-minded people, like if you are from the commerce students can have a discussion forum where you can discuss about your subject matter or the career or anything on your subject. Educational news. There are a lot of news coming up in the newspapers, and most of the people, when we go through it, we go through the sports column or to the headlines. There are small educational news which are all coming in the smaller segments, which normally people will miss. So we have taken up those news and put it in the highlight here, because that's where our student community is very important for the student communities. So you can register yourself for the newsletter and then get the newsletter on your email. Yes, then next comes is a job interview. So most of the people are not able to get into the job because of they are not performing well in the interview. Where we are lagging in the interview. So there is a tips for you to how you can succeed well in the campus interview or any job interview. The basic things comes for the interview is a communication. See, the communication improvement is very, very important in the current scenario in a globalized way. So we have collected techniques which will give an idea how to improve the communication. And next is English. It's a small, it's not going to be a 100-page document or anything, book or anything. It is a small, concise way of giving you a brush up way to your English. Then there is a training institutions. If you want to